Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruising, are we? 1-inch ape-hangers, okay, 16-inch tall. This particular set got 7-inch pullback, as you can see, 35 to 36 wide, 16 rise on them. Good quality, made in Europe, as you can see, good chroming, also available in black. These are undimpled, in other words, these are for Japanese bikes and Triumph. We also do the same handlebar, basically in a dimpled, okay, which is for your Harley-Davidsons. You can use dimpled bars on a Jap bike as well, but a lot of people don't like the dimples. We don't see them at all, so I don't really see what the issue is. But we also do, as you can see, many other bars, including these. These are 1.5-inch mammoth bars, so as you can see, they're 1.5 inches, but waist down to 1 inch on the ends. So you got 1.5 inches in the middle. This particular set got built-in risers as well. But masses of gear for your bike. We got all these grips to go with them once you bought your bars. Got billet wheels, fenders, motors, Japanese and Harley, not just Harley, even though these are Harley, you can see. But shocks, progressive, massive upgrades, you know, for your suspension and handling. And as you can see, clothing. We've got all your oils, your brake pads, your luggage, your seats, nitrous kits, all your footrests, as you can see. We will be at the NEC show, that is 8th to 10th of November. Kevlar jeans, screens, cup of coffee and tea, as you can see. Loads of waterproofs. You've got your Simpson helmets, all your other helmets as well. And as you can see, you name it, we do it. If you've got a cruiser or you've got a custom bike, but we also do all your race stuff as well. So Ben behind the counter, if you're interested, give us a call. 01773 835 666. Alternatively, customcruisers.com. Thank you.